Journey to Peace, Love, Sanity, November's facial fix, featuring applesauce. Take one. Hey YouTube, hey everyone. Thank you so much for coming back to see me. For those of you who don't know me or this channel, this is my journey to inner peace, self-love, and sanity. And it's what I'm looking for because I feel that it's what I need in order to have like a fulfilling life. I believe that self-care is definitely a form of self-love. So that's why I want to highlight an organic face mask every month from now on. And this is the month of November, so I chose to feature some apples. Last month for October, I featured pumpkin. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. Everything that I feature on YouTube, I follow up on Instagram. Every month I have a main ingredient, and like I said, apples are for November. If you're allergic to apples, please, this is not for you. Don't even touch them. Apples are really good for our skin because they have their own vitamin C in them, and they're good for dry skin. So it's getting cold outside, and I don't know about you, but right here for me gets super dry. Then we have some oatmeal. And oatmeal is good for the skin because it nourishes the cells and kind of like rejuvenates them. And you'll see in the results when I apply the mask to myself. Cinnamon. Cinnamon not only smells amazing and it's like holiday-ish and it goes awesome with apples. It's like a decongestion of my face. That sounds so weird, but it really does feel refreshing. And then we have honey. Honey is very important for the skin because it's very valuable actually. It has vitamins from flowers and it has a bunch of natural properties. Lemon. Why else not? It brightens your skin, it has a ton of vitamin C, so always, always good to have in your face masks. And of course, we got some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and some coconut oil. So mix them together and it's always a good result. Super smooth for the skin. So now we're gonna make this stuff. We're gonna start off with our apple. We can have 2 apples here for a month's worth of face mask. I like to cut them up in small pieces because that way in the blender they mix up a lot better than just these chunky pieces of apple. Now we're gonna do 2 spoons of honey. Okay, now we're gonna do a teaspoon of cinnamon. Woo. I already have the 2 spoonfuls of coconut oil, 1 spoonful, and then another extra virgin olive oil. Woo. So now we're gonna do our 3 spoonfuls of oatmeal. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we do. Let's just get them all to get to know each other. See? All right. Boom. Ready, set, go. Kind of clunky, but it's all right because eventually it'll start to work itself out. I do make a lot of protein shakes and now face masks that I really want to invest in a Vitamix. Those are one of my goals in the kitchen. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. It's good. It's a little warm, but that's why you have to refrigerate it. There's no way that you can put this on your face right now. You have to cool it for at least an hour. I mean, I have some already prepped for us, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some on for you, but this has been in the fridge for like 3 days. It feels better when it's nice and cold on your face. This is ideal. If you get tiny Tupperwares like this, that way it's like 1 face mask every time. And if you have leftover, you can always share with someone. Applesauce. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the entire month. Booyah! Now these go in the fridge. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. I'll meet you in the bathroom. So my face is nice and clean. So we're gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. The first thing I've noticed is my face feels fuller. Like collagen fuller. Applesauce, applesauce, applesauce. I feel really plump, that's how I feel. And then obviously very smooth. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for coming back to see me. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do, at PeaceLoveSanity. Pretty easy. You can also check back through my stories and see October's facial fix. Also, follow me on Twitter if you need some positive thoughts throughout the day. I got you. This is a disclosure. If you are allergic to any of the ingredients I used, do not use this face mask.